the Godfather, I'm Shushun Bisa Forex, the Kingpin of Wall Street, 2000 follow but lead Nasdaq. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. So right now, guys, just going to be looking at Nasdaq setup in Nasdaq. So I'll try to predict what's going to happen in the stock markets from today, and since tomorrow it's actually Friday, and next week it's actually a fundamental week. I think next week we're just going to be experiencing NFP. I'm not sure about CPI as well. You understand? But yeah, a lot of fundamental will be taking place next week. You understand? So the market will be choppy. The market will be manipulating. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's just focus on what we have right now. So today is actually Thursday. And yeah, so yeah, guys, before I continue, can you please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload? So yeah, guys, uh, first and first, identify your highest selling point and your lowest selling point, and you identify your market structure. You understand your market trend. This is actually an uptrend. Why? It's because the market has been giving us higher highs. Higher highs has been breaking all the support, all the resistance, and giving us more higher highs going to the top side. You understand? So you're just going to put in your trend line right there. So remember, whenever you put in your trend line like this to try and identify the market trend, you need to have two touches or more. You understand? Nothing less than two touches. You need to have two touches or more. So I do have my first touch right there, second touch. I'm trying to force that third touch right there at the top as well. So let's check if it's possible or not. All right, cool. So every time, guys, whenever you're analyzing, you need to clear up the chart first. Even if like you have to analyze like 3 times a day the same pay, it does not matter. Because remember, in this game, you need to be consistent. You understand? So you have identified your top right there. So I'm actually seeing like a very beautiful double top right there at the top side. So the market has a probability of coming back and breaking this trend and giving us like a new major trend going to the downside. You understand? So like there are more opportunities from the market to actually break here, retest, and give me more selling opportunities going to the top side. You understand? Maybe we'll see that maybe around the end of the year or whatsoever. You understand? Because remember, the market is not in a freeway run, so the market will actually manipulate, consolidate somewhere else. You understand? So yeah, guys, the market actually moves in impulse correction. So the market will not just going to fall or whatsoever. You understand? It has to give us like impulse correction, impulse and correction. You understand? So I'm just going to identify my highest selling point, my lowest selling point, and my current lowest point right there, which I'm actually expecting the market to actually come back and break this support, respect, and give me more selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So I'm just going to be looking for my lower lows because I'm actually expecting the market to actually come back. Right, I'm actually expecting the market to break this support and retest, come back to the downside to give me my third touch right there at the downside as well. Because it's already given me my first touch at the top side, second touch at the top side, and third touch. And on the bottom side, I only have two touches. So the market has to complete its journey. You understand? So I am expecting the market to actually give me more potential selling opportunities going to the downside. So we're just going to move further more to the downside. From our weekly time frame, we are moving further more to the downside to our daily time frame. So on our daily time frame, we all know that there's actually like 24 hours, if I'm not mistaken. I feel as if there's 24 hours inside a candlestick. You understand? So I do have my first touch right there, second touch, and my third touch right there on my daily time frame. And I'm going to put my trend line right there at the bottom side, and I'm just going to fix the one at the top side as well. So at the top side, I do have my first touch, second touch there as well, and I'm looking for my potential that touch right there at the top again. You understand? So now what I'm actually expecting from the market, I'm expecting the market to actually come back, break this trend right there. You understand? So what I'm actually expecting from the market is to break all trends. Let me just say like that. You understand? Because the market has already given me like a double top. You understand? So once we see a major pattern, you understand, like a double top, a double bottom, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. You understand? I do expect the market to actually break the specific trend and give me a new opposite trend, and it has to be major and it has to be bigger or better. You understand? So we are actually looking at the market right now. So we do have our highest point right there that was recently broken, and the market came back to respect it. Remember, we're on our daily time frame. You understand? So there are more opportunities of the market to actually respect, go further more to the top side, and break this level right there, going further more to the top side as well. You understand? So yeah, guys, what are we actually looking for right now? You understand? So I am looking at my daily time frame right now, and I'm moving furthermore to my weekly time frame. You understand? Or my 4 hour time frame, excuse me. Okay, so on my 4 hour time frame, so what I'm actually expecting from it, I'll draw in my trend right there. I'm seeing like a beautiful downtrend going to the downside, and my first touch, second touch right there. You understand? I'm still going to fix this trend line whenever I'm moving further to the downside. You understand? So now I'm actually seeing like two directions from the market right now. You understand? The market is either going to reverse at a certain point right here, give me a beautiful head and shoulder, and go to the top side and break this trend right here. You understand? Or the market might as well just break this trend right here, respect, and go further to the downside. You understand? So let's just move furthermore to our 1 hour time frame. So on our 1 hour time frame now, so what are we actually looking at? Okay, so I'm just going to fix my trend line right here, trying to make it an obvious trend. You understand? So I'm just going to put it right here. Here is it fine? Yeah, it's okay here. You understand? So right there is actually my current support right now. You understand? So we actually on our support, and the market has been failing to actually break this support right here. So it actually symbolizes like how strong is this support. You understand? So let me just say like there are more opportunities of the market to actually bounce back. You understand, and go to the top side. Or might as well the market just break this supports right here, respect it, turn it into a resistance, and go furthermore to the downside. You understand? So like there are more like potential directions that we might actually take place today or tomorrow. You understand? But let's just focus on what we actually saw on the major time frames. So on our major time frames, what did we see? We saw more selling opportunities, and on our weekly time frame. And if we saw a direction on a weekly time frame, and today is actually Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday, is the last day of the week. You understand? So Saturday and Sunday the markets will be closed. You understand? Which means the weekly candlestick closes tomorrow midnight. You understand? So what we're actually waiting for right now, we're just going to be looking at the honest direction from the weekly time frame. You understand? So since we saw more bears taking place on weekly time frame, it's more likely to actually go further more to the downside and still have that theory that you saw from your weekly time frame. Take it to your 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, or whatsoever. You understand? It's all about where you enter, guys. It's all about where you enter, because sometimes you can have like a beautiful you can have like a beautiful direction, everything will be okay. You understand? Your analysis will be top notch, but the only problem is it's where you enter. You understand? You need to have like a confirmation of where you must enter. You understand? Which means not just because you saw the market has been respected a certain movement. You understand? Now you're just going to enter. You understand? You need to wait for those confirmations, like a bullish, a golfing candlesticks. You understand? Moving on your 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame. You understand? You need to use all those smaller time frames as advantage of you entering with a small account. You understand? And might as well again use all those big time frames, such as 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. You understand? For you to actually get the overall direction. Because remember, as I always tell you guys, like the bigger the time frame, the more the market actually get real unveils like reality of itself. You understand? So we're just going to highlight our support right here. So this is actually our current support that I actually saw on my 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame. You understand? So right now the market is actually respecting it. You understand? Because since it was broken, the market came back and respected it. Understand? And remember, we are still waiting for the market to respect this previous broken resistant and go for the motor top side now. So now what I'm actually expecting from the market, remember, I'm now looking at what I saw from my weekly time frame and my daily time frame. It showed me that the market has to give me more selling opportunities. You understand? So now I'm going to neglect this false setup. You understand? I'm just going to put my supports right here. You understand? So the reason I'm putting it right here is because once the market breaks this support, I know we are no longer going furthermore to the top side. We're just taking more selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So once the market actually breaks Once the market actually breaks this support, I know that okay, this is actually where we're going to close. You understand? This will be our final take profit. You can close anywhere here in between this zone right here. You understand? So what are we actually waiting for right now? We are waiting for the market to actually break out, retest, and we're just going to enter more selling opportunities. And remember, not just because I'm saying that you should enter more selling opportunities now. Once the market actually breaks and retests, you're just going to enter. No, you need to wait for a specific confirmation. You understand? Because sometimes the market actually might like show you like false direction, but not confirmations. You understand? Because remember, like a lot of traders have their own different perspective on what judges them to actually enter. You understand? For me, for my side, I use like small candle. I use small time frames and look for bullish engulfing candlesticks, and I look for small trends on a 1 minute time frame. You understand? So once the market actually breaks a structure on a small minute time frame, on a 1 minute time frame or 3 minute time frame, I'm more confident with whatever direction that I'll be taking from there. You understand? So what are we actually waiting for right now? I'm waiting for the market to actually break this support, respect, and give me more selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So remember, we saw all this direction from our weekly time frame, and we're taking it furthermore to our 15-minute time frame. You understand? So we've been seeing the exact same thing from weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hour time frame. You understand? But on our 4 hour time frame, on our daily time frame, so what we actually saw, we saw as if the market is actually going to respect a previous broken high. You understand? And give me more buying opportunities going to the top side as well. You understand? But now I am looking at that candlestick right there, that bullish candlestick, the only blue candlestick that's there. You understand? That it was supposed to actually be the only candlestick that was supposed to become like a very beautiful impulse movement going to the top side, but it didn't. You understand? So that candlestick actually failed its journey. So now it actually symbolizes me like how how like bulls are actually more inferior than bears at the moment right now. You understand? So I can easily say that like bearish candlesticks are actually more superior than bullish candlesticks. So we're just moving further on to our 15-minute time frame. So on our 15-minute time frame, just quickly refresh the chart. Okay, perfect. So on our 15-minute time frame, so what are we actually waiting for right now? You understand? So I'm just going to put in my major key right here. You understand? So every time whenever you draw your major key needs to look like a trend line. You understand? Because they practically do the same thing. You understand? But the only problem with the major key is that you're not entering as soon as the market touches your major key. No, you understand? Because if it was a trend line, you would enter as soon as the market touches your major key. You understand? Entering more buying opportunities. Because once the market actually touches it, it has to reverse. You understand? So a difference between a major key and a trend line is because you on a trend line, you wait for the market to actually touch the trend line and you'll be entering. You understand? But on a major key, you are telling the market to actually break that horizontal line. You understand? Or might as well respect it and give you more selling opportunities. You understand? So now what I'm waiting for on this major, I'm waiting for the market to actually break this major key. So I know once we actually break this major key, there's no fallout, guys. Absolutely no fallout. We're just going to be taking in more buying opportunity, more selling opportunities. Excuse me. So let me just quickly draw this trend right there. If I can see that I have 3 touches, unfortunately I have 2 touches and a false breakout. That's a weak. You understand? So I do have my first touch right there. You see, so the market actually did actually complete its journey going to the top side right there. You understand? So now it has to come back to the bottom side. You understand? So that's what we're actually waiting for from the market. You understand? So what I'm actually waiting for right now is the market to actually come back, respect this level right here. You understand? Respect this level right here, and once the market actually breaks this major key, you understand, that's where I'll be entering more selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So like the overall direction at the moment right now, that's my stop right there. You understand? That's what I'm saying the market is actually going to do. So from tomorrow, we need to be expecting like from today actually the market will actually has to break out and stop somewhere here. Yes, the market might consolidate. Remember, guys, it's not even half past 3 yet. The market is not even volatile at the moment. You understand? So, like, the market actually might do anything at the moment right now. Might consolidate, might play around. You understand? Might do impulse movements and all those type of things. But what I'm actually waiting for right now, I know for a fact, if my analysis are correct, the market might close somewhere here. You understand? Or might as well consolidate and stop somewhere there. You understand? And from tomorrow, since it's actually Friday, the market might be somewhere in between this zone. But once the market actually breaks this major key, I know for a fact we're no longer going to the top side. You understand? So yeah, guys, that's it for our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. We are back in it again. That's the Godfather doing the things. That's the Godfather signing out. Thank you.